Here's a problem every remote document review has. The host moves to page 5, but you're still reading something important on page 1. Now what? In InstantOptic, participants are free to read at their own pace. Both are in the same session. Neither is blocking the other. Then the host says something important about a specific clause. They click follow host. Instantly, they jump to the host's exact page and position. The host's cursor is visible. Every movement, every scroll, in real time. But maybe the participant wants to go back and reread what they were looking at. They click free scroll. Now they're independent again, reading at their own pace. The host keeps moving. The participant is no longer locked. Done reading. Click follow host again. You snap back instantly to wherever the host is right now. One click and you're back. Just open InstantOptic and enter your name. Upload your document. PDF, Word, PowerPoint, any format works. Set your session expiry and you're ready. Hit Create Session. InstantOptic generates a unique shareable link instantly. Copy it, send it anywhere. Your colleague clicks the link. They enter their name and join. No account. No download. They're in. Host is on page 2. Participant clicks follow host. Jumps straight to the host's position. Watch the cursor. Now free scroll. Participant goes back independently. And follow host again. Snaps right back. Cursor visible immediately. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at getsupportstack@instantoptic.com.